YouTube. This is your girl, First Lady White, and I'm doing a video response to Atia's the main chick or the sidekick. Well, me actually I was the sidekick, and to me it wasn't that bad to say the truth, but like it seemed like he did treat me better because usually they used to fight, argue, then he used to come to me. But now it's like he done kicked her to the curb and now he wants to be in my life. And I was like, no, I don't want you to be in my life because if you cheat on her with me, then you might cheat on me with someone else. So right now we're just talking as friends or whatever. But it's like he's trying to make me his, and I don't really, I really don't want that to happen because I know what I did was wrong. So I'm just learning from my mistakes. And it's like he's just trying to take over. I'm like, no, I run this, not you. I do. And it's like it's like we are in love with each other, but I'm not in love with him. I have love for him. Correction. Um, but really but right now I have like a little tight situation with my homegirl, and I think that she's a side chick, and I've told her that, and it's like actually is like she doesn't listen, like it's just coming out, going through one ear and out the other. And I'm like, well, actually, he told the girl that who was going to come and get her. He was like, well, that's my sister. And I'm like, well, he says that he loves you and you are his woman, but why is he telling this other girl that you are his sister? And I'm like, well, it's another story there, you know. So therefore, I guess that she's a sidekick, But it's like some people learn from their mistakes, you know. But then it's like if you try and help them out, like I guess they'll never learn. They have to see for themselves. I told her, and I'm like, well, you my homegirl, whatever, like that. So I mean, I just kept it real. Where I'm like, whether she give it or not, but I'm there for her or whatever, like that. But sometimes you have to learn for yourself, and like I had to learn for myself. So now I guess she has to also. If it was a lie, then hey, it's whatever. But you know, it's just just my response to sidekick. Are you the main chick or you are the sidekick? Well, First Lady White, check it out. Subscribe, comment, catch you later.